Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook that volcano. Get ready to embark on a fun and delicious culinary adventure. We'll be creating an impressive volcano-themed dish that's sure to be the centerpiece of any gathering. I'll walk you through all the essential steps, sharing my best tips and tricks to ensure your edible volcano is both visually stunning and incredibly tasty. Let's get started and make some magic in the kitchen. Before we dive into the baking, let's make sure we have everything we need. You'll want to gather your core ingredients like cake mix, frosting, and any special edible decorations you plan to use. For the iconic volcano shape, a bundt pan works wonderfully, or you can get creative with other molds. Don't forget your vibrant food colorings and an assortment of candies to create that spectacular lava flow. Having everything organized makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now for the exciting part, building our volcano. Start by baking your cake in a bundt pan, following the instructions on your mix. This will give us that perfect crater shape. Patience is key here. Let the cake cool down completely before you even think about taking it out of the pan. Once it's cool, gently invert it onto your serving platter. If needed, you can carefully trim the bottom to create a nice, flat base. We're well on our way to a magnificent eruption. The grand finale is here. Decorating and making our volcano erupt. Begin by frosting your cake, using shades of brown and green to give it a natural, mountainous look. Next, create your lava by coloring some frosting or a simple sauce with bright red and orange food coloring. Drizzle this down the sides from the crater. Arrange candies and cookies around the base to add to the dramatic scene. For an extra wow factor, you can even add a small, food-safe element to simulate smoke just before presenting your incredible edible volcano. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.